would like you to retell the story about Mark and Jean. Okay. What is
Jean and Mark is twin. And they is 10 years old and same study in same class. And teacher say I haven't give homework 2 weeks. And teacher say today I give you homework. And you write composition over cat.
okay?
And give me on Monday. And Jean and Mark do it. And give to teacher on Monday. And teacher say Jean and Mark same your brother. And teacher say come here Jean. And Jean say it's same cat.
Okay, thank you. Poom, are you ready to explain about your land? What is the name of your land?
Poom soup.
Poom Zoo. Okay, wait a minute. Poom Zoo. Wow. Okay, can you explain about your zoo? What do you have in your zoo?
Fridge, turtle, and megalodon.
Oh, all right. Okay, is it a big pond?
Big shark.
A big shark. Okay, inside the big pond. Okay, it's a big shark.
It's superhero.
Oh, it's superhero. What is superhero?
Iron Man, Spider-Man, Captain America, and Hulk.
Oh. Okay, what are they doing here in your land?
Fight the shark.
Ah, fighting the shark. Ooh, so scary. Why they fight the shark? Why?
People
Eat? Attack?
shark
Oh.
shark eat people.
Ah, so you mean shark attack the people? So this is the hero. Hero to fight with the shark. Oh, wow. Ooh, so scary, your zoo. What is this? What is this?
Hospital.
Why do you have hospital in the zoo?
People leg eat, shark eat.
Oh. And the people will go to the hospital if they hurt. Yes? All right, very good. Any more? What is this? Why you have helicopter? Another way, another technique how to use pastel. I think that's a tree. Is that a tree, Nong Ploy?
Yes.
Yes. Wow, home sweet home. This is by Nong Ploy. Oh, your name is very big. Yeah.